Okay, now let us try another example. So we have 5a minus b plus 2a plus 3b. Or step 1, identify muna natin kung similar terms. Okay, how many terms? 2. Binomial. And this is also 2 terms. Binomial. What is the given literal coefficient? And this is? And? So similar terms? If yes, vertical na tayo. First, write the given binomial. So, we have 5a minus b plus, saan po itatapat si 3b? Kay negative? Okay, plus 3b. Then si 5a kay 2a. Then add na natin. What is the sign of b? By the way, what is the numerical coefficient here? Imaginary 1. So, the sign of 1 is negative. And this is positive. Same sign, unlike. Add or subtract? Subtract. 3 minus 1, 2. Then capital, literal coefficient. Now, what is the sign of 2? Bakit naging positive? Very good. Mas malaki si 3 kaysa kay 1. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Next, 5 plus 2, 7. Then bring down 8. Therefore, this is the answer. So,